In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against your friends in Battle Royale Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option of being matched up against your friends and playing against them in Battle Royale. You will be able to do this with as many friends as you have. However, there is no guarantee that you will be able to set up the teams and be against each other 100% of the time. This is because, as of today, there is no way to actually queue up together with full guarantee that you will be placed up against each other in the same match. There are still some methods, and the one that I'm going to show in this video, but I just wanted to make it very clear. As of today, you will not be able to invite a friend and make sure that you are placed against each other. So, to do this, all that you have to do is go over to these settings, and you will be able to browse through various settings about the game. Now, what you have to do is go over to Game, so choose the game category and change the matchmaking region. So all that you have to do is choose a region, and both of you queue up for the same region together. So for example, both of you queue up in NA West. So apply this. And then, if you are on Discord, you will be able to time this. All that you have to do is count down to 3, 2, and 1, and when both of you say 1, you go ahead and click play. Matchmaking is going to gather enough people to make up a full lobby and place everyone in there. Now, if you and your friend get lucky, you will be placed in the same match and you can play against each other. Keep in mind that you should not use this to team up. This is a bannable offense, so do not team up with your friend. The best way to check if both of you are on the same lobby together is timing the loading screen. So for example, as soon as you get into a loading screen, tell them and ask if they also got a loading screen. Once either of you load up into the actual lobby, see how many players there are in the lobby. If there is the same amount of players for both of you, it means that you are in the same match together, and you will now be able to play against them. So just go ahead and start playing Standard Battle Royale. Like I said, Epic does not give players the option to create a private match and play against their friends 100% of the time, but by doing this method of changing the server, changing the region, and queuing up at the exact same time, you will essentially be able to be matched up together with high chances. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against your friends in Battle Royale Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.